IELTS speaking partida 2 minut ravon gapira olmayotgan bo'lsangiz, bu video aynan siz uchun. Xo'p, sizlar uchun bitta grammar structure topib qo'ydim. Full sentences which I believe is an adjective. Misol uchun, she got an 8 on IELTS at the age of 12, which I believe is impressive. U 12 yoshda IELTSdan 8 oldi. Ishonganim bu juda ta'sirli. He finished the task in one day, which I think is fantastic. U bitta taskni bir kunda tugatdi. O'ylaganim bu fantastik. She speaks 5 languages fluently, which I think is incredible. U 5 ta tilda ravon gaplasha oladi, which I think is incredible. O'ylaganim bu juda ishonib bo'lmaydigan darajada zo'r. The food was ready in 10 minutes, which I think is fast. Ovqat atagina 10 minutda tayyor bo'ldi, o'ylaganim bu juda tez. It will take some time, which I suppose is okay. U ozgina vaqt oladi, o'ylashimcha bu yaxshi. Buni bitta gap aytib turib, unga yana describe qilayotganda ishlatishing mumkin va 2 minutga borishing mumkin orasida ishlatib. Agar foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, kommentariyada izohinglarni yozib qoldiringlar, like bosib, ko'proq shunday grammar structure uchun obuna bo'lib, ingliz tilini o'rganayotgan do'stingizga jo'natib qo'ying.